Hi, this is Justin from RGBlink. We're here at InfoComm 26, and another of our new products launched here this year is the streamZ. streamZ is essentially a studio in a box. On the back here you have HDMI input and webcam inputs. You can have up to 3 camera devices. You've got a live output there on HDMI, but where it comes to life is inside the web app, where you can create scenes and views and combine media to do these streams of views for either output locally, as you can see here on the monitor, or stream out directly to your favourite platform. Control easily with the Pad Z. Our take on being able to have programmable controls available for these kind of devices. On board, streamZ is a 128 gig drive as standard, SSD, so you can save pre-recorded media, which is like the background running on the video here, and combine any other media you like. Truly a self-contained streaming solution with a studio in a box type scenario, great for people that want to get media anywhere. Also can work as a playout device and as also as a support device, because you're able to stream out the webcams. Take a look at RGBlink streamZ on the website at www.rgblink.com.